my channel. We are here with a new project. We are making today a cute bracelet, pearl crystal beads bracelet. We have started with the 7 silver, metallic silver seed bead eto. After tying the knot, we are passing through the middle seed bead. Now here we will add 6 pearl with 6 seed beads. In this project we will use different colors, different color beads in pearls and in crystal beads. We will use crystal beads 4 matching with the pearl color. The color selection, I hope you would like it. I am using light shades and I think it looks elegant. Now we have started with aqua color, aqua pearl 6 and with this 6 pearl we are adding 2 matching color crystal beads 4 So we are passing through 6 pearl. Now here we are adding 1 more seed bead, silver metallic seed bead A2 between crystal beads and 6 bead. We have added in the beginning of our bracelets making. We are passing through seed beads and crystal bead 4 Very elegant bracelet, light shades of our pearls and crystal beads. Now next color, it's light pink. We are adding it with bicones and silver seed beads. 1 silver seed bead, 1 bicone, 1 seed bead, 1 pearl, 1 seed bead, 1 bicone and 1 seed bead. In this way we have added, passing through 6 pearl. We added these beads. Now we are passing through seed bead and bicone and 6 pearl. Now we will add 6 pearl with 2 crystal seed bead and 2 seed beads, crystal beads and seed beads, and we are passing through 6 pearl, added it, and now we are adding grey color pearl with 2 silver bicones 3 with seed bead A2 with 6 pearl grey color. We are adding it, passing through 6 pearl pink pearl. It is very easy, even beginners can easily make this bracelet, but it is elegant. So I hope you guys like it. Now we are adding white color. This is white pearl with seed beads and bicones. We are adding here. Now we are using matching crystal beads with white, clear white, transparent crystal beads 4 we have added here with pearl 6 pearl. Very nice colors, light shades with matching crystal beads. Now this is sky blue, and with sky blue I am using royal blue crystal beads. Passing through seed bead and bicone and seed bead, and then we will pass through 6 mm pearls hole. Now we are adding 2 crystal beads, blue color with 6 mm pearl sky blue. We have added, and now we are adding yellow with 2 bicones and silver seed beads, silver bicone, yellow color pearl. It's very colorful bracelet we are making. Now we are passing through seed beads and bicone, and now this is the look of our bracelet. We have added 6 pairs of different colors beads. 6 pairs we have added. Now we will continue on same pattern with same numbers, but we will change the colors of beads, crystals and pearls. In this way we will continue making our bracelet. So now again we have started 7 colors we are using in this bracelets making. We are using different 7 colors, different 7 shades with pearls, with crystal beads. Now we have started again from aqua. We have added aqua pearls and crystal beads 4 mm. Now it's pink, light pink. It will be added with its matching shade 4 mm crystal beads. Now we have added. Now it's the last step we are adding here with 1 seed bead, 1 bicone, 3 seed beads, 1 bicone and 1 seed bead. We are adding these beads with. Now we will add here the 1 silver jump ring for our clasp. My dear viewers, lovely viewers, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. It's Easy Jewelry. My first channel is Somi Crafty and this is my second channel. Kindly subscribe it. I need your subscriptions. I need your comments, sharing. So now this is the final look of our today's project, our bracelet. It's almost ready. Different colors look very pretty. This is a new look, a new style bracelet. You must try. I hope you must try. Now we will pass through seed beads. Now we are making finishing knots here. Tight the thread, pull the thread, tight the thread, and now after making finishing knots we will trim the extra thread. It's ready now. Our elegant bracelet is ready. It's unique. It's very easy pattern, so must try. I hope you would like it, and if you like it, and I hope you would like it, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. I make all my projects with love and for my lovely viewers. I hope you guys like it, and I request you watch my videos fully. All these projects are for learning process purpose, and I hope you must try, you must watch my videos. So now I will say bye. Take care yourself. Lots of love from Easy Smin Jewelry. It's your own channel. Subscribe it. I will say bye now. Allah Hafiz. Bye.